So, you want to know how to make a fileable PDF from Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025? I got you. Creating a fileable PDF is a powerful way to stream data collections. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and go to Tools. Then, select Prepare From. Acrobat will then prompt you to choose a file. You can either select existing documents, like Word document for a scanned proper form, or start with a blank document. If you choose the existing document, Acrobat will automatically detect the potential from fields like text box and checkbox, converting them into interactivable fields. You can then manually add or adjust fields using the tools in the Prepare From toolbar. Options include adding text fields, checkbox, radio buttons, drop-down list, digital signatures fields, and more. To customize the field, double-click on the Open Properties, when you can set default values, formatting, validation rules, and tab order. Preview your form frequently to ensure it looks and function as intended. Once certified, save as PDF, and it's ready to be filled out by others. And that's it.